Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 26th May 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, keep very good company. If you are colored by bad company, you fall. Bad company degrades your intellect. Question: what should you children have a surge of enthusiasm for? Answer: you should have a surge of enthusiasm to go and do service in every village. Whatever you have, use it for doing service. The Father advises you children, free yourself from all supports of this old world. Have no attachment to anything here. Do not attach your hearts to anything. Song is: take us away from this land of sin to a place of rest and comfort. Essence for Dharana. First is: forget everything of this old world. Become obedient like the Father and do service. Give everyone the Father's introduction. Second is: save yourself from bad company in this impure world. Do not eat dirty food prepared outside. Do not watch films. Blessing for today. May you finish your account of waste with your Trikaldarshi stage and thereby become a constant embodiment of success. Details are: to be stable in your Trikaldarshi stage means to check yourself before creating any thought, speaking any word or performing any act as to whether it is wasteful or powerful. 1 second of waste can create a loss of multimillions, whereas 1 second of a powerful thought can accumulate an income of multimillions. 1 second of waste creates a huge loss in your income, due to which even the income you have earned becomes hidden. This is why you must not perform any acts while consciously aware of only one aspect of time, but perform every act while being stable in your Trikaldarshi stage. All waste will then finish and you will become an embodiment of constant success. Slogan is: the renunciation of respect, honor and facilities is the greatest renunciation. Om Shanti. Avyakt signal. Imbibe the personality of spiritual royalty and purity. The soul and the body are two separate things. However, because of their ignorance, people have confused the two. People have considered what is theirs, body, to be themselves, soul. Because of this mistake, they experience so much distress, sorrow and peacelessness. In the same way, by considering the sanskars of impurity and forgetfulness to be your sanskars, when they are in fact not the sanskars of Brahmans but of Shudras, you become influenced by Maya and then experience distress.